There's a recipe that's going super viral on the internet right now, and we're going to be making it low carb and perfect for weight loss. And if you're new here, welcome. I'm Emily and my twin sister Sarah, and I have lost 160 pounds following a keto lifestyle since 2019. And we like to call ourselves the Keto Twins Test Kitchen because we see recipes that are circulating around the internet on different social media platforms, and we say we can probably make that keto with a couple small tweaks. And if you like our vibes, please subscribe because we're trying to get to 300,000 subscribers this year. Subscribing is free, but it really does help support our channel. So the original creator is named Iman Ibrahim. We'll be leaving their account linked in the description below. They are huge on TikTok and have so many amazing dishes, and we are going to be turning this into a low carb version. Basically, it's a whipping cream inside of a chocolate shell. We have made a kind of quicker version of ice cream here a couple months ago, and it turned out really well. We're gonna be using that for our recipe because this is not keto. They use sweetened condensed milk, and Sarah and I have found that if you use liquid allulose and cream cheese with heavy whipping cream, you can get that light, airy ice cream filling that we're looking for. Okay, so the other thing that you're gonna be needing for this is a keto-friendly or low-carb chocolate. So we get ours from Thrive Market, who is the sponsor of this video. We get the Lily's brand. This is one of our favorite chocolates to use, and you're gonna be needing to melt some of this for the recipe. So Thrive Market is an online membership-based grocery store, and we buy most of our pantry staples from Thrive Market. We get things like almond flour, coconut flour, almond extract, and vanilla extract. We get things like Kevin's Natural Foods marinades. These are great. If you want to stock up, you have a ton of protein in the freezer. If you buy a bunch of these marinades, you're always going to be able to whip up something amazing in a couple of minutes. And we know that so many of you guys do not live near a grocery store that sells keto-friendly products, but you're in luck because Thrive Market has such a great variety of keto-friendly products, and they have over 90 other values that you can choose from. So if your husband is not keto, you can find something for him too. And orders over $49 ship for free, which is great. And when you become a member of Thrive Market for just $5 a month, you get access to a selection of non-GMO groceries, personal care, and household items. When you're a member of Thrive Market, you're gonna unlock savings of up to 30% off retail prices on your favorite items. And the annual membership is risk-free, so you can get your money back if you cancel within the first 30 days. So join Thrive Market today using our special link, thrivemarket.com/ketotwins, and you're gonna get 30% off of your first order plus a free gift. And they're running their bars and snacks sale right now, which is like 25% off. But these are just little plastic bags, and they zip up to contain our strawberry concoction. And to do this, we're going to be using the recipe for the ice cream bars that we made a month ago. And it's a really great base recipe for, like I said, whatever you want to do. There are two parts to the ice cream that you're going to be putting inside the chocolate shell. We're going to be mixing together some cream cheese. We're also going to be using strawberry extract. So strawberry is one of the fruits that you can have on keto, but a lot of strawberries needed to get that true strawberry flavor. They use a cup of strawberries in their recipe. We're gonna be using half strawberries that Sarah has finely diced, and we're gonna be using half of a teaspoon of strawberry extract. That's gonna give us the strawberry flavor without going too crazy with the carbs. I actually learned this because when I made keto ice cream for the Ninja Creamy, I could not add enough strawberry in there. And we're also gonna do vanilla. We'll do 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Also, the sweetener, because we're not using sweetened condensed milk like the original recipe, this is liquid allulose. We're gonna be using 1/3 of a cup. That's gonna keep it from freezing rock solid. So I'm going to mix these two together so they're fully combined and set that aside, because it's easier to fold into our heavy whipping cream. It looks kind of weird, but trust the process.
Yeah, that does look weird.
Now into our other bowl, we're gonna be doing 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream, and we're gonna whip that until it's thick. Did I have melted the chocolate?
I don't think so. That doesn't take very long.
She did it first. Okay, so in the original video, it seems like she gets the chocolate shell ready first, so maybe we should do that because that's what they did. What? We're gonna melt these for 30 seconds at a time until they're melted. One of the issues with this is that sometimes they'll keep their shape, and so you can't tell if they're melted. But if they burn, then it's over. You have to start over. Or I've seen some people, they just put the chocolate chips into the bag till about, I don't know, quarter of the way up probably. Stick them into a bowl with hot water. It'll probably melt and then you can do that part. But we're afraid to do that.
We're gonna do what they did in the video.
Right. So it's been 30 seconds. You can see it's starting to soften up at the bottom, but you don't want that hot spot in there, so mix it around and then stick it back in. It's been 25 more seconds. We're almost at the melting point, or we are at the melting point.
We're putting it into a squeeze bottle.
We just didn't want to mess this up because we're filming it. This is not a lot in there.
Okay, now what?
Pour some chocolate in. I am not a confectioner.
We know that. Welcome to the Keto Twins Test Kitchen. Okay.
You spread it to the edges.
Mm-hmm.
Look at, there you go.
Okay, how much was that, you think?
I don't even know. A couple tablespoons of chocolate.
So what's going on? Can you give us a recap while you're concentrating? Okay, so Emily decided that we're going to fill this bottle all the way up with chocolate just to make it easier. So we used like an entire bag. Filling more. Like what? How much do you fill? Like
halfway. You don't want to be able to see through it. It's got to have a shell.
It has to coat both sides.
So we have our chocolate bags filled. We did about 4 or 5 of them. We have plenty left if we need to make more. We're gonna start whipping our heavy cream so that we can fold in our allulose cream cheese mixture. Remember, we are going with our gut here. This is our version of this recipe. The allulose cream cheese extract mixture gets folded in to create the base. Okay. Now our strawberries are folded in. Piping bag.
In the cup.
Fill the piping bag with your strawberry ice cream mixture. When we go to YouTuber conferences and people ask us what kind of content we make,
we're
self-conscious about calling ourselves a cooking channel. We're more of a
exploratory journey through the kitchen.
Right. But that looks legit. I feel legit. Do you guys feel legit?
Sure.
Now what? How do I do this with this?
I put that in there.
Okay. It's open.
Okay. Now cut it while...
Maybe we should open all of them.
Let's just do 2 at a time.
I know. I just want to be ready. What's wrong with being ready? Why is no one ready?
Why is no one ready? What is that from, people?
A classic.
Okay. Well, why would you do it so big?
I need it too big.
Wait, what are you doing? Why don't you hold it?
Great.
That's why you made it so big. It's like...
This is my job. Your job is to film it. My job is to do it.
Yeah.
Check the tautness at the bottom, would you?
It feels good and feels tight.
Really?
I guess.
At the bottom here?
I mean, I see holes, but what are you gonna do? Okay, keep going.
Ooh, I see it going down in there.
Great. Something's happening. Why is no one ready? The movie that made me feel...
Dead inside? But
no. Made me feel terrible for being a size 14. What did they mention though? It's not fair. You eat carbs.
Yeah. Yep. Even back then, people knew. They just didn't want to do it.
They reluctantly admit that it works. You know? Okay.
Is that it?
Yeah. I have to clean the tops off to actually get it sealed. Because look at that masterpiece.
We have our boluses. That's what it's called.
Okay.
We're gonna put them in a bag. And we're gonna stick them in the freezer for hopefully like an hour. We might even put them in the ice tray so that they freeze up super fast. And we'll see what they're like in an hour. So it's been a day because I tried to touch it and I just didn't feel like it was frozen, so I was scared to open it. And so it's the next day and we're gonna try our strawberry filled chocolate thing.
Bolus?
I think it's called bolus.
Bolus? No.
So they look like they cut it and then they peel it away. So that's what I'm gonna do.
And in theory, it should just peel away in theory. With haste, you know how...
Yeah, well, it's...
Move at a glacial pace.
Well, it
you know how
can't
that
because
enthuses me.
I feel like I'm going to ruin it. Oh, here we go.
Here we are. Okay.
Ha! Ha!
Now what?
They break it in a fancy fashion.
Oh.
Oh, it's empty.
There's not... It's empty? Okay, you got to the stuff?
Okay.
Give me a second.
So it was a...
Kind of reminds me of the Easter Bunny chocolate.
Yeah.
You know what I'm talking about? The one that's kind of empty.
Oh, it's really good.
I have to hurry. Hold on. Do I have to unravel the entire thing?
Yes.
It's nice to kind of hold it. It smells familiar to me. Why does it smell like it does smell like a chocolate covered strawberry.
So you have to fill it more than you would expect. I think that this is the first one that we did. Oh, she's got more in hers. You know, just try to fill it all the way.
And it melts pretty fast,
Right.
by the way. It's not tempered chocolate.
Oh, so good. I taste the strawberry extract.
Yeah, it needs that, you know, because we like natural flavors, but sometimes you need to add artificial flavor in order to really get that intense strawberry-ness that you want with this, so.
And you could probably keep this in the refrigerator. If you made this,
Freezer.
you could keep it in the freezer for months. It's gonna stay. It's gonna stay good. So make the entire batch. Use an entire thing of lilies. You could probably make 10 at least. And fill them. Put them in the freezer whenever you want a dessert. It's gonna stay for months.
Right.
We'll be leaving everything that we did in the description below. And don't forget to check out Drive Market using our special link, drivemarket.com/ketotwins, and you're gonna get 30% off of your first order plus a free gift.
YouTube seems to think you're gonna like this video, so why don't you click on it and we'll see you over there. Anyway, I'm Sarah.
I'm Emily.
And we're the Keto Twins signing out.
Flying out.
Good.
It's so good. Alex is gonna like this.
I'm glad it turned out. Kind of scary there for a second.